Hi everyone. Hello. Hi. How you doing? I'm doing great actually right now, and we're gonna continue working on this thing up there. I have not done anything the last week. I don't know what's the status. I forgot everything. So we gotta find a plan. We're gonna make a plan. We're gonna see what we can do. I completely forgot. But I've got one thing. You probably don't see it, but I've got a new camera. I love it. I've just been like the last 2 hours. I've just been playing and fooling around with the camera. So I've got a new camera, and and a pretty decent one. Oh, my skin! Look at my skin. My skin looks so broken. I finally have a real camera, and I don't just use the stupid. I don't just use a stupid cheap ass webcam. The cheapest webcam I can find. No, I actually have a good camera now. Which, yay! Now I want to make videos. Why am I so high? I need to set the camera a bit higher. Wait, I also have a fixture for the camera. I've got a pretty decent... Like, this was the last thing that was missing. To have a really good streaming setup. Yeah, it's better. Now I have a good... Thursday? It's Tuesday, Travis. It's Tuesday. But for Tia Thursday videos, maybe. Help for the job in India. You're welcome, Sai. Hi, Timokun. Timochin? Hi, everyone. Hi. Yeah, we're going to continue working on this there. But I might fool around with my camera all the time. Because I finally have a good one. It even has a display, so I can see myself in the camera. When I stare at you, I can actually see me. And see how I look. And, like... Love it. Hi, Alex. Hi. And hi, Travis. Yeah. This is amazing. I just love the new camera. It's so amazing. Hi Sunil. Hi Kan. Difficult. Hi Gaurav. Hi. Good. We're gonna start. I don't have any idea. And look at this. Do you remember, like, my hands were always see-through? This camera is pretty good with color correction and that stuff. And autofocus. Of course, that doesn't work because it's too bright now. But the autofocus works perfect. Like, if I get closer. I bought one like a week ago, and the autofocus didn't work. I still have it. I gotta send it back. So this one is perfect. It's too bright. It's so bright. Oh, it's actually correcting the brightness, so it works. I love it. I love it. We need the Maldives. I've never been there. I rarely go on vacation. Okay, good, great. So, let's see. We need the Maldives. Do you mean the island there in the background? This there. I am on vacation here. I'm on the beach. Is it a 4K? Yeah. It's a 4K camera. I actually run it right now in 4K mode, which is only 30 FPS. 4K 30 FPS or 1K 60 FPS. I run it 4K and 4K 30 FPS. So I might lag a little bit, which isn't too bad. The chroma. Videos are really helpful. You're welcome, Javier. Hi, George. Hi. Make videos on DCs. I have not really worked with DCs. Or DCS. I don't even know how to say it. I'm not even shiny anymore. Like, I would be shiny so much right now with the old camera. You could see my sweat. I would be, like, shining all... I'm still shining a little bit, but not that much. I love it. Hey, Nomus, I didn't wait. What are we doing today? I don't know. So last week we had this. The last week, I don't know. What did we do last week? Does anyone remember? I look so handsome in a 4K camera. Yeah, I do. It is really, like, pretty much in like the picture is how I look in reality. It's insane. Two favorites, software. Unity and TI, really? I don't even know what my what my favorite software is. So last week we did the contacts here, so that we can see the connections that go to the sensor. And the sweaty mode. Yeah, I'm really sweaty because I'm overweight. I'm overweight, so I'm sweaty. I'm like almost 100 kilograms. At my size, 175, I'm overweight. It's even heavy overweight, but it's like the body mass index doesn't make any sense because I've got a lot of muscle. I'm still overweight. That's why I sweat like a lot. So what did I want to do? I wanted to turn this on, actually. Active. Let's do that active. Boink. So now we should have a connection. Yeah, the sensor here right now has a connection. It's got 24 volts because the main power here is on. The problem, how is going low carb? I'm not really doing low carb. No, I had bretzels today. I had a bretzel. I had a pizza today. I'm not doing low carb. No. And I'm still trying to lose a bit weight. I'm doing like low sugar. I'm doing low sugar, not low carb. Like I try to get rid of a lot of the sweet, the sweet sugar. Salts and that stuff, I still eat a lot. Okay, I've got a plan now. So you see the switch? I want to work on the switch now. Because what we have right now is the following. I can interact, I cannot interact. I can select the forked light barrier, for example. I see the connections, I see the power supply because we did that. I see the sensor with the name and I can adjust the distance. You can actually see that if it's long enough, it's detecting. Even if the power is off, strange, but that's what you have. I cannot interact with this thing here, as you can see. Why not? Actually, I should be able to. Should actually be able to interact with it. Strange. So, but I want to work with this, and there is also on this. There's going to be two buttons. One says open. One says activate, turn on, and one is turn off, on and off. So I want to work with those buttons. So that's the plan for today, to make this switch interactable. All right. So this one here. There's going to be those two buttons. Like this, yeah. I already prepared them. I've got use buttons. And those, hi Sushil, hi. And those use buttons, they should actually do the thing. Like they should actually be usable, clickable for the switch. So I want to work on that. First class. Hey Sai, it's not a class. You're not sitting here. You won't get like a degree from me or something. You're here to join, to learn something, to have fun, to just join me. Don't worry. Don't worry. It's not really class. You don't miss anything. And there's always a recording if you want to see it afterwards. Yeah, that's a user interface, Travis. Yeah. That's going to be one user interface. I probably have more, but this is one user interface. And I've prepared it already for some things. But I haven't used it for like using things. So yeah. Sorry for the late start. Stop. It's not a class. You don't miss anything. It's fine. Because then I would have to make a schedule and official stuff, and no, we won't do that. So okay, we've got the main switch. That should be interactable, but it ain't. Oh, I know why. Component name, let's call it main. Let's give it a name, actually. Let's call it main switch. I'm listening to music. If I start singing, don't worry. I hear music. I'm not crazy. I am crazy, but I listen to music. That's why I'm singing. You can try to guess the song. Country roads, take me home to the place. Guess the song. West Virginia. So this, I gotta adapt the main switch script a little bit. So we gotta get into coding. And I've been doing a lot of coding lately because I got myself a course on Udemy. Hi, Malu. Hi. I got myself a course on Udemy, and that course is about programming. So that's pretty cool. Is that the only thing that's missing? This here? Open interface, and then I can open the interface. I think I need to add this. What did I need to add for a new component? This, and then in component interface, I need to set what happens with the thing. Yeah. Whoa. This thing here, which is not it's the main switch. God, I could have done this way better, but it's okay. How am I doing? I'm doing great, actually. I'm in a good mood. I don't know why, but I'm in a decent mood. I've got a new camera. Look at this. That's why I'm in a good mood. Look at my skin. I don't even need to look there anymore. If you see me looking to the left, that's why when I look at my streaming software to see me, to see what I'm doing right now, I don't need to do that. I can see myself right there. Right there. I can see myself. So I don't need to look to the left. But I need to, like, my brain needs to adapt and know, oh, I'm there as well. I don't need to look there. I can see me there. It's so strange. Handsome. Thanks, Jose. Thank you. That's why I'm streaming. So that people call me handsome. Yeah, that's that's my thing. Let's get back to the software. So the main switch. Okay. Main switch. What happens in the high or zeros? High. So general stuff. The general stuff I don't need to adapt. Oh. I just need to do this. Are you kidding me? Sensor? No. Main switch. No. It is case sensitive. There we go. Done. Now I should be able to open the main switch. What is the system? This one here is Unity. My programming environment, I use Microsoft Visual Studio. It's both free, so 100% free. And the one I'm creating, well, it doesn't have a name. So I should be able to, I should be able to click on the main switch. And it gives me all the contacts, and I have a problem now. Okay, I know what we're gonna work on now. Ha ha ha. Hey Yoti, what's going on? I don't know. When will the Roy, I planned on maybe, not today, maybe today. If I got the energy, maybe today I'll release something, which will be a homework kind of thing. But I don't think I can get there. No, I don't think I can get there today. Did you see a problem when I did this? When I clicked on this one here, you see that this one down here, it's got 10 contacts. Yeah, 3 phases going in, 3 phases going out, that's 6. It's got neutral going in, neutral going out, that's 8. It's got PE going in, PE going out, that's 10. Even though those PEs, usually you wrap around, you go around depending on your system, but it's got 10. So the problem is, well, you see the problem here. It's out of the interface. So what I need to do is give this a scroll bar. I want to give this a scroll bar, and then that's it. I want to give it a scroll bar, but I don't know. I cannot remember how a scroll bar works. Shit. Does anyone know? I know. I kind of know. So there's the canvas here. This one here. Component interface canvas. That's the one. So what I'll need to add is a scroll bar. So first of all, I gotta do this a little bit. Let's say 20 and 0. The problem now is that these things will 20. I'm messing up a little bit, but that's okay. Connector panel, I guess. Is that correct? Yeah. The problem is now I made it a little bit smaller, so I need to make this panel also smaller. Just a bit. Am I using SL7 1500 simulator on OPC? No. No, to connect to Visual Studio, I'm not doing it right now. I'm not doing it at all right now. But in the end, what I will do is I will import a library. I will import a library called S7net Plus, I think, if I got the right name. Where is it? Yeah, S7net Plus. S7net. You see it somewhere there. S7net, and it's called S7net Plus. I can use the this library is free. You can download it. You can implement it in Unity or in anything that's C# right now. I think there's other languages as well, but I use C#. And with this, I can just easily connect. Okay, let's make the cell size a bit smaller so it fits again. Hello, there we go. It is 133.3. No, let's make it 130. Let's make it 130, and then I can make the scroll bar a bit thicker as well. Of course it's adapted to that. No, this one here. 130, that means 30, right? Yeah. All that's left to do is this connector panel is now not that big anymore. How big is it now? 130. 130, and we need to adapt it so it looks a bit prettier, not like this bullshit. That's okay, that's okay. I think these will be okay. Not exactly. Let's do this. That. That's okay. And these two buttons need to go a little bit. How am I remembering so much? Hey Yoti, I don't remember much. My brain does not remember a lot. I love it that I can now look into the camera and actually speak to you and see what I'm doing, not just there. Hi, Matt. Hi. So these need to go a little bit. Why are they from there? Why didn't I put them to the left? It's what it is. Bottom left, actually. What am I doing? There you go. Doink. Doink. There we go. Position X is maybe 5 is okay, and position Y is -5, no 5. Okay. Connect goes bottom right, boink, and also -5 and 5. There we go. So that should fix all of the problems. Look at this, it looks pretty now. And the scroll bar is gonna go here on the right side. Okay. Easy. I definitely know what I'm doing. And I'm not just pretending. I have no idea. Oh god, I need to work with masks and that I don't know anymore. So, sorry, if I mess up a little bit, it isn't too bad, I hope. Oh wait, I gotta do something. Whoopsie doopsie doopsie. This goes in there. Can you still see me? Yeah, good. Okay, there we go. You have a question? It's a network problem in my factory. Hope someone can help me. Who knows good about Profinet? You can ask the question, Ahmed. Maybe someone can answer, but I don't know. I'm not sure if I can. But always just ask if you've got questions. And everyone, if you just have questions or something, just go. Can I make access server with? I don't have the hardware, Summit. I usually only make videos if I have the hardware. Not a drop down. I don't want a drop down. A drop down would also be nice, but I want a scroll bar. There we go. Now I've got a scroll bar, and that scroll bar should go here. And then I can actually change the contents from there. No idea how it works. I mean, I got like a basic idea, but I do not really remember what I'm doing. I cannot read that, but hello. Hi. So that is, of course, wrong now because it needs to go top to bottom. Like this, yeah. Oh, of course it changed. Doink. Doink. And something like that. How thick is it now? Let's make the width 20. Perfect. Position X, of course, is gonna go somewhere here. 213. Oh, that's perfect. 210. Okay, so there's gonna be a scroll bar, and we can scroll down the contents here. Now I need to work with the scroll bar. I have not done that in so long. Let's see if I still remember. It is interactable. Yeah. I need to connect this content here somehow. Don't ask me how. I do not remember. I hope I will remember. We'll see. Should be easy. I need to go in there. It's the handle. No. It needs to be in here. So here on this element, where I actually put all the things, I will need to add a component. And that component is, of course, called a scroll rect or something. Rect mask, rectifier, rect transform, scroll bar, scroll rect. That's what I said. So scroll rect in here. Why are we doing the UI? Travis, because I need to make the UI. Because I need to make the UI. Do you have any idea? What else do you want to see? Education video is perfect. No need hardware, it's enough. No, I all my education videos, I tested on hardware and I made on the hardware. Except for the ones that are just about simulation. For the video, the question, I have a machine in a company which has Profinet connection and its device. It has 8 devices connected to the PLC through Siemens Scalens. Okay, that makes sense. That is a pretty normal setup. Hey Sam, hi. But that's not the question, I guess. So the content is a rect transform. Okay. Viewport, no. Horizontal, vertical scroll bar. Vertical scroll bar is going to be the scroll bar. The variable M content of scroll rect has not assigned. M content. Well, we need the content. Is the content itself? Can I put the content to it itself? Can I? Let's see. If I make more now, it should actually be like giving me a scroll bar. It does not. Let me check if it already worked magically. No, but I've got a scroll bar. Hey, something works. No, it's wrong. I'm wrong. I'm sorry. No, I can interact with it. That's nice. Everything is working okay, but the problem is I have a local Ethernet network in my company and I want to read data from this machine. Hey Mojito, hi. Now the thing is, I'm at... something else, okay. It's difficult to say without knowing everything about the network. But it seems like you've got like your factory with all your controllers, right? PLCs. With your PLCs, and then you have on the other side, you've got your, maybe in a different color, whoops. On the other side, you have your offices, like the other stuff. Let's say office, you said, right? Company, in my company network, office. And then you connected those, right? The problem might be with is the device? Yeah, exactly right. That's exactly what I want to see. That those two might be in different networks. This might be 192.168.50. It's not here. It doesn't matter. I can answer questions. And then X, and this is the subnet mask, is 255.255.255. 550. And then your office has like 168.375Y. So it's in a completely different network. Then if those two networks want to communicate, what you need is not just a scalens, not just a switch. You will need something called a router for routing purposes. So that would be the thing. Look up routing between two networks. It's routing or routing, depending on American or British English. The PLC program? I don't have PLC program. What PLC program are you talking about? I also want to know and choose what state machine architecture. That depends, Satish. That depends on your company. There's really not really a rule about it for it. You just do the program as you think is the best. And so that it works in the end. Okay, so I've got this. And I want to get rid of that one down there. So what I will need is a mask, a so-called. So this one here will have a mask. Can I just make the mask here? Done. So let's see. Now I shouldn't see the last one. Okay, the last one is gone. The problem now is it's gone, but I want to scroll down there. Okay, good. I've not done a scroll bar in so long. Oh god. The scroll rectangle is this one here. That's perfect. Do I need another? What's my auto hide? Is it gone then? Oh, now it's gone because I can't scroll, but I want to scroll. Oh god, it's so easy to make a... I'm gonna watch a YouTube video now. Guys, I'm just gonna do it. I will watch a YouTube video about scroll bar Unity. There we go, scrolling from Coco Code 9 months ago. Thank you, Coco. I don't want advertisements about The Witcher. Thank you. I don't want this. I don't need this. This is fine. What is this? What is this? Give me the important stuff. Give me the stuff that I want to know. Body. The content. Scroll rec. Blah, 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 blah. Scroll area and then content. Okay. I should probably not skip over everything. Let's see. C# you have MVs and the code pattern does exist in PC. Not really. I think in Codis is more, but not here. Witcher ads. No, it wasn't an ad. It was in the intro, actually. It was in the intro. He made an intro about this because as like a vertical scroll bar. Yeah, vertical scroll bars. There we go. Scroll in. Yeah. Okay. Content goes in there. I got that much. Okay, that's easy. Content size fitter. No, I don't care. So the scroll area is gonna get the... Okay, so I need to make one more element. And then put that on there. Okay, thank you. And then the content goes in there. Okay, maybe. I thought I might need to make that, but that seems strange, but okay. I'll do it. Content for scroll bar. I sometimes watch my own videos because I forget a lot of stuff. So I did a lot of that, like watching my own videos, which seems stupid, but I did. So that's still this. Why is it so small now? Why is it so small now? Why is it so small? It should not be small. It should be the whole size. Because this one has a grid layout group, which it shouldn't. This one has the grid layout group. Yeah. Okay, good. Okay. I definitely know what I'm doing. Everyone, do you know what I'm doing? I don't. But I'm having fun. So this one here needs to be stretched. This one needs to be stretched to the full size. There we go. I don't want to see this one here, by the way. No image, please. Sorry, there's so much text. Yeah, exactly what Roy says. It's difficult. All of them are in the same subnet. Thanks, Paul. And hi. Yeah. It's really hard to say, Ahmed, without... Like, the standard problem is then IP. It's the internet protocol. It's the IP addressing. For everything else, you need to analyze your network more in depth. So the content is this one now. Scroll bar is this. Okay, that should maybe work now. Blah, camera. Doink. Perfect. Doesn't. This one will definitely... It has the mask. Masking disabled due to graphic component being disabled. What? Why? Could just make the alpha 0 and then it's fine. I can. Interesting. Oh no, the alpha probably needs to be like 1 for masking purposes. I get it. Okay. That is fine. I'll probably have to check out the video, like look at it, really look at it, and not just do my nonsense. The scroll bar is hidden now. Don't auto hide permanent on. No. No. Go down, go up. What is the environment, PC or 3D? PC for now, serious. Maybe 3D headset would be interesting. But I have to look into it. I want to finish the thing first. I want to make the thing first, and then I'll see about it. So, okay. Let's go on with the video. Hey. Okay, he can already scroll. Why can you scroll already? Great. Okay, we really gotta watch it. Love it. Do you want to hear the sound as well? Let's put on the sound. Oh no, I'm gonna get copy striked. You won't get the sound. I will. As you can see, when I can run the game, I cannot scroll. Blah, 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 blah. I'm the guy now. That makes sense. Yeah. Okay. I got that. We got one. I'm making it full screen for you. Maybe you can see it then. Okay. We have that. We have that. Okay, got that. Got that. Got that. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, layout group. I got the layout group. I don't care. Yeah, bro, shut up. I don't want to learn about the vertical layout group. I want to learn about the scroll bar. Yeah, I know what spacing is. Come on, bro. Okay. So content size fitter, that's something I actually need. Okay, that is good information. Thank you. Content size fitter. Parent has a type of layout group component. A child of a layout group should not have a content size fitter. That's exactly what he has, isn't it? Yeah, it's a group and the content size fitter. Okay. Vertical fit, preferred size. Oh yeah, that worked out well. What? That's stupid. That is stupid. No. No. Stretch it through the full thing. Stop automatically doing that. Wait, oops, does that one still have the... No. Huh? Why doesn't go to 0? Why doesn't it go to 0? Just stretch the whole thing. Thank you. There you go. I think you're the type of guy you like tutorials like... No. Alex, I'm just kidding. I'm just fooling around. Okay, there we go. No, wrong. The video again. So the content size fitter is also not the important thing because I have my grid layout group. The scroll area child, I've got that. I've got like a big element and then I've got the content under it. Yeah, okay. Is that correct? Am I lying or is that correct? I think it's correct. So I've got the content. Connector contents. That's because that's what this is. So the connector contents are in there. It's the layout group. He doesn't have more than the layout group as well. Except for that layout thingy there, but we don't need that. I always press the wrong thing. Okay, next. What else do you have for me? I got that. Okay, that makes sense. Scrolling only vertical. I don't have that. Only vertical. And it's content there. Yeah, okay, got it. You gotta go. Have a nice evening. See you, Alex. Thanks for joining. Have a great one. Elastic. That's fine. I don't care. Okay. That one was important, I think, but not too important. Ja, aha. Guten Abend. Guten Abend, Junge. Hi, Mohammed. Hi. Okay. What? Why does that work for him already? That doesn't work for me, does it? No, it does. Oh, look at this. It actually does work. Oh. Oh, it works. But not really. Okay. Oh, let's go. So it probably worked before as well. A bit too slow. Scroll sensitivity. I don't care. Yeah, we're gonna make a mask because it overflows. Yeah, masking. I know. Rect mask 2D, okay. I use the mask just. Let's use the rect mask 2D, whatever that is. On. It doesn't matter which one. Let's take this one. Rect mask 2D. It's the same thing. DCs, please. I don't know those as well. I don't know them. I can't. I mean, I know them, but I haven't worked with them, so I can't teach them. I believe it's possible to specify this. Okay, you're still with the Profinet. That's great. Help each other. I love it. Thank you. Hi, Jakob. English. Was soll das? Was soll denn das? Das ist das Internet. Im Internet, da ist das alles Englisch. My Bavarian is very bad. I'm sorry. But hi, Jakob. So, okay, great. I got everything. Why is it not working? Viewport mask, okay. I mean, he doesn't talk about scroll bars. Oh, there's scroll bar in the end. Okay. Why does the scroll bar... The scroll bar should be controlled by the content in here, but it isn't. It's somehow always... Ach so. It's somehow always... humongous. It's big. Let's get rid of the 2D, by the way. Something annoys me here all the time, so I'm gonna get rid of it for a second. Not this one. Hey, Tom. Hi. And Yarpa and Steven. So many new people here. Hello. It's gonna ring for a second. I'm sorry. This thing is in the way. It's annoying me. I always click on it, and then the interface for it opens. Okay. I got this. Why is it... It should automatically adapt, shouldn't it? Let's get rid of the scroll bar. Maybe the scroll bar breaks everything right now. Content for blah blah blah. The scroll bar. Vertical scroll bar. I mean, it should be correct. Generally thinking, yeah, Matt, it's pretty hard. Like, troubleshooting networks without knowing them is really difficult. Look at this, it always bounces back. Why does it bounce back? It's not me, it's really, I grab it, I put it up, and then it bounces back there. So it wasn't the scroll bar. Makes sense. Because the scroll bar is controlled by this thing here. And the content is in this here. Yeah. It's got the grid layout groove. What happens if I get rid of the mask? I just want to check something. Great. I'm actually doing not what I wanted to do, but I started it, so I won't stop. Why does it always push it back? What? It's got a lot of content in there. Is it because I got it stretching? It's because I've got it stretching? At 0, 0, 0, 0, should I maybe do this? Is that the problem? Used to watch Netflix. Now I see your videos. Hey, thanks, Travis. I still watch Netflix, mate. I mean, my videos are probably better. You're right, you're right. Did I break it now? I hope I didn't break it. No, it's fine. But why? Why no scrolly scroll? Why stupid? I mean, the scroll bar also, like, it works. If you look at the scroll bar, it changes shape. But it don't... Wait. Huh? Oh, I could change the thing here. I could change the size of the handle, but it doesn't let me. Huh. It's so fun that I can see myself there now. I love it. Can we use it to simulate, like... Yeah, Christopher. That is pretty much what I started with, but it's gonna be much more powerful than Factory.io. I hope so in the end. But of course, it's still a lot of work to do. And I can't even do a freaking scroll bar. Scroll rectangle. This is the content. Does it work if I do just not a grid layout group, but a vertical one? Ah, come on, are you kidding me? I cannot do a grid, like a vertical and a grid. I deactivated it. Oh, maybe it is because of the grid. Oh, it's got settings here. It's got like, it's got settings. Vertical layout group. Maybe it is because of the group. No, it isn't. But I thought maybe gonna be the one that saves me. But after all... Damn it, my fiance just skipped this. She just passed the room when I was singing shit. She probably heard me. Fuck. No. Damn it. Okay, it's not the... What? Am I stupid or what? That can't be... I mean, that is definitely a possibility that I'm stupid, but it should still work. Unity tutorial. How to make UI scroll view with scroll bar. 8 minutes, 40 seconds. Okay, let's go. Skip 10 seconds, skip 10 seconds. You took pictures that are not... He doesn't even talk. There's just stupid music in the background. I love it. Okay, I don't... Yeah, we got a canvas. I got it. I know what a canvas is. Thank you. So on the canvas, he made a panel, I guess. He made a panel, okay. To make the UI background. Yeah, sure. Go. Continue. Go. I don't know what you're doing now. Pictures. Okay, great. I don't care about your pictures. Yeah. Go. In there, he made another panel. He had panel scroll view. He centers it. So maybe that's the thing. But I tried the centering. Did I take Unity free? free course. I just learned Unity through YouTube. I learned it through Brackeys. Through this YouTube channel that is actually recommended here. Through this YouTube channel. Called Brackeys. You cannot see it, it's right there. Brackeys. I'm just gonna watch his video. I don't like I'm just gonna watch this video. 11 minutes, that's why we're here. Great, love it, love it, love it. Let's see. Yeah. I know. This is all easy peasy, leasy. Okay, there's a lot of text. In the scroll rect, he's got another. Oh, he's got a sub element. Is that it? Do I need to make a sub element? Wait, I have the scroll. Why am I so stupid? The scroll rect is on here, right? Yeah, no, I have the sub element. I've got the sub element. Hi, Meg. Hi. Hello. Why? Why is mine not working? Hi, Kent. I'm trying to make just a scroll bar actually for an interface, but it doesn't work. So okay, why is it always going back? Why is this thing always going back to the center? Why is it not stretched correctly? Why is all of this happening? It's the layout group? Is it the layout group? It can't be the layout group. Can it be? I mean, I've checked the layout group already. Oh, nothing there. Where did all the contents go? Okay, interesting. What? 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 Why would they be gone? Layout group gone. Why is it always popping back to 0? I'm going crazy. Vertical. I can't scroll at all anymore. I can't still scroll. What? Oh, wow. Whoopsie doopsie. There we go. I'm testing it and I'm not changing it. I was still in the overview thingy. So, okay. Wait, what? I don't have... What? Scroll bar is gone. Why is the scroll bar gone? What? Because I deactivated it? What? What? I can't reactivate it? What? Now I broke it like completely. Oh, I can't reactivate it because this one says it's not there. Oh, I deactivated vertical scrolling. That makes sense. Thank you. La la la. Oh god, I love programming. Because of this stuff, I love programming. Yeah. It's got a value of 1.5. Let's make the value 5. I can't change the value size. I can change the size though. That broke everything. God damn it, I hate this thing. This thing is so much in the way. Go away, go there. I don't want you here. I always keep clicking on it. There we go. Okay, that... What? Why? But why? Am I crazy? I'm probably just crazy. Scroll bar. No, the scroll bar is not the problem. Okay, good, great, love it. Scroll rect. Now I should not be able to scroll anymore. That's great. That's what it is. Okay. 2018. And now you're making eingebettetes embedded systems. I had like courses in embedded systems. Love it. That's pretty cool. Yeah, but that's long ago. 2 years. Yeah, that's when my videos were fresh. I haven't done much technology since then. Sorry for that. Inertia. Vertical. No, it's elastic. Unrestricted. Ooh, look at this. No, elastic. Elastic is good because then it's there. Clamped. What does clamped do? Can't do anything anymore. Great, love it. Elastic. So it should be elastic, yeah. Elasticity 0. Woo. Elasticity 100. Woo. And it's slowly swinging back, I guess. It's not. Shouldn't it swing back? 2. Yeah, it does. 100 is just too much. It would not swing back. We can't see it. Inertia. Yeah, it's got inertia. Inertia is fine. Still keep this up. Thanks, Ken. Can I suggest me a source of programming IPCs, industrial PCs? Hi, Juan Carlos. Hi. Not really. I don't have one. I love Udemy. Like, if you probably go on Udemy, you will find something. Udemy. I'm doing a course right now on C# actually, because I'm too stupid. IPC. And you probably find something there. Industrial PC. There we go. There's probably something. ABB robots, keylogging PC. I don't know. There's probably something. I love Udemy. It's a good website for learning. Hello from UK. I'm a great guy. You're welcome. You're very welcome. I can't read Cyrillic letters, but you're very welcome. Okay. So. Why is this not working? Visibility permanent. Auto hide. Permanent. That's fine. Viewport. Do I need to change the viewport? Does the viewport need to be this thing as well? Does it? Maybe. We'll see. Nope. That did not change anything. Wait, it doesn't automatically, it doesn't go back anymore. Why does it not go back anymore? Why does it not go back? Nope. Okay, that's not it. Okay, here's the thing. I'm gonna save. I will exit this program. I will say save. Yes. I'm gonna keep this open because I might need it. I will make a new project and I will have nothing else in this new project except for a scroll bar. Is that fine? I'm gonna call it scroll bar test. Create. I will just make a little scroll bar, okay? This is gonna work. It better work. If not, then I'm gonna... I don't know what. While it's loading, look at my new camera. Oh, I love my new camera. I'm not pretty, but look at the quality. I love the quality is really nice, isn't it? And it's zooming in. The autofocus is so amazing. Great, autofocus work. There we go. Look at this. Look how wishy-washy I am right now. As soon as it detects my eye, it should autofocus on me again because I've set autofocus on eyes. There, now it detected my eye. Amazing, great. Now it loaded. The problem is it crashed. Whenever I start Unity the first time, it crashes. Yeah, my Unity's bugged. I need to repair it, but I won't. I'm too lazy. Okay, that will just take a second there. Okay, we got nothing. Here's what I will do. I will create a UI element. That UI element will be a canvas. So that's it. That canvas will have a panel. That panel is 2-dimensional. So if I start the thing, that is the whole picture. I will make a second panel just to test it, right? Just to test it. That second panel will have some other size. So that's size. So if I start this, we should be able to see this. That is correct. We do that. The problem is the background and stuff, but that's fine. We will just see that. That's okay. Let's put that actually to 100% so that we cannot see through it. And let's make it grayish. So we have like a gray background whenever we start the thing here. Perfect. Love it. Thanks. Why did I see something on the left? It doesn't matter. So now I've got this. Okay, that is my panel. That panel will be my rect. How was it called? Scroll rect? Something rect scroll or scroll rect? I think so. Rect scroll rect, yeah. Okay, that is my scroll rect. Perfect. Got it. Easy peasy. Then what we do next is inside the scroll rect, we're going to have another panel that is exactly the same size. And this is where my contents go. This is where my contents go, and there I will just have like little UI thingies. Let's make buttons. Let's make buttons. Let's make those a lot of buttons. Okay, that is a lot of buttons. And now, of course, they are not all oriented. So I want to make a vertical layout group. No, they should be oriented. Perfect. Love it. Thanks. Great. Perfect. Please start in the upper center. So now, whoops. There we go. Great. Okay. Now the rect scroll will have those contents as the content. Doink. I should be able to scroll now, and it should not whip back. Why does it whip back? Why does it whip back? Horizontal. Why does it go back? Why does it go back? Why does it go back? Can't be because of the group, can it? Why does it go? Am I insane? Why does it go back? That is not right. Is that it? No. No. Why? 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 I can also still change the viewport. Let's see. That doesn't matter, does it? Huh? Oh. Hi from Poland. Hello, back from Germany. It doesn't snap back now. I mean, it stays where it is. That's good. But it doesn't snap back. Wait. Wait. Am I stupid? Am I stupid? Horizontal, vertical. Wait. The viewport, go away. I am probably stupid. No, in Moodlagen, I've never heard of that. Moodlagen sounds fancy though. Is that gonna work? Oh God. I understand. I do understand. I understand. I get it now. So the underlying object is gotta be bigger. So that means I got to stretch not the child, but the parent according to the children. Oh, how? Now I can scroll until there. Okay, now I can scroll until there, yeah. If the only thing that you take away from this video is that programming is trial and error, and that even I, as like an experienced programmer, have trouble with the simplest and easiest of things, that's your takeaway from today. Because, hey, I'm struggling with a freaking scroll bar. God! That's your takeaway. That don't worry. Don't worry. Everyone's got problems. You love my Unity videos? Thanks, Thomas. I haven't done many of those. I've got like 10 Unity videos, do I? And live streams. God, of course I got the Unity live streams. So I can do this. Now the thing is, I want to extend this depending on how many children I have. Control child size, width, no. Height, no. Use child scale. Okay, now I messed up and they are stupid small. There we go. Use child scale. Height. Reverse arrangement, no. Padding, no. I need to extend the contents square. Your dad recommended me. Thank you to your dad and say hi. I said hi. Hi, Thomas's dad. Hi. So the contents need to be. I should not struggle with this. What the flippity doodly. Extend. Use child scale height. Yeah. Okay, let's see. Maybe that is it. Is that it? No, that's not it. I will need to. Am I insane? There's got to be a feature that does that. Child force expand. What does that do? What does any of this do? Can I look this? I gotta read the manual. Use child size. Whether the layout group is considered the scale of its child layout elements when sizing and laying out elements. Width and height corresponding to the scale. I don't care if scale elements. Child force expand. Whether to force the child layout elements to expand to fill additional available space. No. Available space. Can I change the available space? That one seems nice. Layout element. Layout element. Layout element. Layout element. Do you all layout element? Add layout element. That does not exist. There it is. Okay, ignore layout. No. Why? Minimum height. No. Flexible height. Yeah. Hi, Dinesh. Hi. That didn't work. Flexible width. No. Preferred height. No. I mean, shouldn't it do something now? Ignore layout. No. Minimum width. No. Minimum height. No. I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. I don't know anymore. The minimum width. Wait, what happens if I just scale it like something like this? And then please don't expand the children. Can I scroll until down there or until the children end? Till down there, of course. Am I too stupid? If this video is just me being stupid for an hour now. Am I I'm going insane. Thank you for teaching me, Stevens. he's very welcome. He's very, very welcome. Hope it helped. Especially both the preferred size and flexible size can make sense in certain cases. No, flexible size, flexible height. 1,000, 10,000, whatever. He's using edit work. That's great. That's great. Let's add the stupid scroll bar as well. Let's just add it. Let's see what if it does what it should. I don't know. I'm going crazy. Top to bottom. Set the scroll bar. What? Set the scroll bar. Let's actually see if that at least works, so I can figure it out somehow. Scroll bar. Scroll bar. There we go. Top to bottom. Yeah. No, that's fine. That's exactly. No, the other way around. I mean, that works. Look at this. This works. It should be the other way around, though. Bottom to top. Boink. Who would make it top to bottom, then? Top to bottom doesn't make any sense. That works. Okay, scroll bar, fine. Should I just make like a... No. God damn it, I'm gonna Google it. I'm gonna Google it. Unity extend parent UI children. Fitting a parent UI element to a child's text content. Nah, fitting to the size of our content. Yeah, okay. I'll just take the first. I am silly. I create a scroll view, blah, blah. Usually the way to do this is adding a content size fitter comp. Is that the one I used? Content size fitter? Sounds familiar. Not this here. No, a layout element. A content size fitter. Content size fitter? I don't want a layout element now. I don't want the layout group now. I just want the parent has a type of a layout group component. A child of a layout group should not have a content size. Vertical fit? Minimum size. No. Preferred size. What? That didn't work. Why? What? That's too small. That is too small. That's exactly the opposite of what I want. What? Maybe I should finish reading before I start implementing. Usually the way to do it is by adding a content size fitter component. Beware that only elements that are part of a layout have a layout element. Component defining size or are either images or text will be counted. I don't think I missed any, but please someone correct me if I'm wrong. I usually work with the GUI in way, so sometimes it's trial and error. Yeah, it is. I get it, I understand. Why is that Russian? I don't speak Russian. That is exactly my problem as well. A little more fiddling yielded fruit. For posterity, the combination that worked was a content size fitter on the parent with horizontal fit. That anchors a vertical fit. That's exactly what I tried, okay. A vertical layout group on the parent with proper padding and child alignment, middle center. Okay. I mean, I don't want to write code. I could fiddle around with code. That should work, but I don't want to. Content size fitter. Why is it parent has a type of layout group component? No one has a layout group anymore. No, do you? No, you don't. Do you? No, you don't. No one has. No one has a gosh darn preferred size. And now vertical layout group. Yeah, okay. That worked. That worked. That worked. I don't know what I did, but it worked. I don't know what I did, but it worked. I have no idea, but it worked. Look at this. It worked. And if I make more, it works. Okay, perfect. I hope you paid attention and can explain it in the chat right now how it works. What did I do? how do I repeat it in my program? And yeah, go. I don't know. Wait. I can't. But I can do this now. Is it? I don't know. I don't know how I did it. I should know it, but I don't. Do you? Love it. I love my camera. Oh, it's fine. Okay, I think I know. I think I kind of know what is going on. I need the content size fitter. That's it. I don't need to say. I will save it, but I don't need to. I know exactly what I'm doing. Do I? I don't. So, okay. You paid attention. You have to explain to me. Go. No. I know what I'm doing. Was it in here? Where is the thing? Component interface. There it is. Is it? Yeah. So for this connector contents, I will need the content size fitter. What was it called? Content size fitter? No. Content size fitter. Yeah. Was it? I forgot the name, but I think so. Yeah. The horizontal fit doesn't matter, and this one is minimum size. And now it does that bullshit, which is okay. I don't want to scratch it to the bottom left. I want to actually go from the top. So I want this one there. Doink. That should be it. I guess. Okay, you paid attention. If this doesn't work, it's on you. Okay, that looks good. That looks good. Except for two things now. The scroll bar should be the other way around. Where's the scroll bar? Where's the scroll bar? Where is it? There. It should, of course, be bottom to top. And also, I only want to see the scroll bar if we have something to scroll. So I want the visibility to be auto hide. That works, right? Or does it? There we go. I can scroll, perfect. I can even use the scroll bar, perfect. Love it. If I select something else where I don't scroll, I don't have a scroll bar. Would you look at that? I mean, I can still do this, balonies. But it will always go back to the thing. Okay. Hi, Warlock Games. Hi. How you doing? Look at me, I've got a new camera. I'm very sharp now. Oh, you're right. You're right. It works now. Sorry, I was just ranting. That's why I had a small screen. But yeah, this works now. Look at this. I can scroll here. I can even use the scroll bar or the mouse wheel. And here I can also still scroll theoretically, but it will always go back there. Very nice camera, right? You see it? It's got quality now. I've got quality now. All I need is a better microphone now, and I will have pretty much the best setup that you could have. Okay, that works. Maybe the scroll sensitivity should go up, but I don't know how much. Let's test it out. Scroll sensitivity, where is it there? 20. That's okay. 20 is okay. 20 is okay. I'll keep 20. And apply that to component interface. There we go. God, I can't believe I just worked for maybe 40 minutes mainly on the scroll bar. I is just stupid. I should not have done that, but hey, it's a feature that is necessary, so there we go. Fixed enemy wave spawner. Hey, congratulations, that's good. Fixing the wave path to second enemy. Yeah, that's always, you always need to fix a lot of things. Yeah, I know that. Hey, Abt, hi, how are you doing? Okay, perfect. That is 0% of what I wanted to do. Love it. Hey, Assad, big fan. Thank you. So I've got 0% of what I wanted to do because right now on this button I want the use. There should be use and there should be use. Okay, I don't know how I do this. I know how to do this. Thanks, Klaus. For a Tunnelbohrmaschine. Yeah. PLCs in those, really? I didn't know. I thought those are very mobile. That's why PLCs are not so much used, but interesting. Good, what about me? I'm good. Except for I just wasted an hour just to make a scroll bar, which I can't believe I didn't really know how to do, but now I do, probably. Okay. What I need to do now is I will need to have this switch, and it will need two functions, which is use and use. Sounds stupid, but that's how it is. And then I need to link the buttons to the UI element, and the UI element actually does the use. So I need to make the use on the highest level that's why I have this open. On the component level. So the component level, oh, I've got use 1, use 2, and use 3. And they are virtual. Perfect. So the main switch will have an override of 2 of those functions. Use 1 and use 2. Override. That makes perfect sense. Now override. And then... No, that doesn't make sense. Thank you. Go away. That stuff makes sense. When this program is done, I'm gonna sell it and I'm gonna make millions. I don't know. I just need use 1 actually, because I want to activate and deactivate using a button. So use 1 is gonna activate and deactivate. Done. I mean, I think the program that I'm copying and making, actually improving, it would be Factory IO. Value? Factory IO. What is Factory IO? Factory IO, Factory IO, console Factory IO. I want to know how much the net worth. How much is this thing worth, actually? How much revenue did they make? Is Factory IO free? Frick, no, it isn't. It's freaking expensive. Maybe sell it to schools. That's exactly my plan. I've got a lot of... Nah, not my plan. But that would be the smart thing. If that's the company, net worth 4.5 million only, that can't be right. No. That's wrong. I don't know. For how much? The program basically sells for 200 per year, I think, or so. Or way more, actually. 400 a year or so. Per seat. So every student, basically. It's crazy insane. But mine is not exactly that. Mine will be tackling a different, some other fields, more electrical fields, actually. It's not just PLC what the other thing is. So what I need to do now is on this component interface, I've got those use buttons. Oh God, okay. How do I do this? How do I approach it? How do I approach this? Hi Joss, hi, how are you doing? How do I do this? This button's got an on-click event. Wait. So I've got the component interface. What type is comp? Wait, comp doesn't exist? What? Oh no, main switch exists. Oh, that makes sense. I'm good. I'm good. Thanks for asking. I think what I also need to do is... Oh god, do I need to override it? I'll need to use 1, use 2, use 3 in here as an interfacing function. That means also I need to have the comp in there. Yeah, and why did I not put that stuff in a function? Am I insane or what? Let's make it private, void, general stuff. There we go. Why did I not? Why would I? Why would I do that? Oh, because comp. Doesn't matter. Electrical, no, component, comp. There we go. Can I do this general stuff with comp? That's how, yeah, that's how it should work. Okay, great. Love it. Thank you. Can I do this? Is this legal? Probably it is. I hope I don't break everything now. I might, but I probably don't. What? What? I'll leave this as is. God, why did I do that? Sorry, you will see me ranting just because I think I'm stupid. As I'm working on a personal project with a safe systems. Yeah, those can be very difficult. You know how to make one where you can also load on the title screen and save in the menu? Don't know exactly what you mean, but I would say no, I don't know. I'm not really good with safe systems. I need to read up on those as well. You need some kind of pausing. Make a backup first. No, I know it's gonna work because I just this was copy and paste in before as well. I'm pretty sure. The problem is that I did this here for this one, and I don't know what's in there, so I need to copy and paste. Comp designation, that's the last thing. So I need to have this is exactly the same like this. It's gotta be. I'm like 98% certain. 98% is not enough, so I'll do this. General stuff, there we go. With comp. That should work. But now what I want to do is the main switch is comp. Now in general stuff, what I want to do is electrical component. I need a electrical component. No, a component. That one I'm gonna call current. Wrong. Current component. And that current component is gonna be component. Yeah, I definitely know what I'm doing. So that is the current component is component. Now with this, I can globally grab the global component thingy. That wasn't general stuff, right? Yeah. And do the use function. That's my component interface. Yeah, I definitely know what I'm doing. I mean, I'm not even kidding. I think I know what I'm doing. That's going to be a public void use 1. There's going to be 2 and 3 as well. Let's finish this one first. This one here, use one is comp if current comp, if we have a current component, then current comp dot use one. Done. And that is exactly what I want to do for use 2 and 3 as well. I'm not even, I will copy and paste immediately, and it's gonna work. That's the 3. I will read chat in a second. Sorry. There we go. Hey Robbie, hi. Hey Tota, hi. What's the session about? Me making an interface for my tool here. What I need to link now is still 2 things open. 3 things. The first is that I need to link the use buttons to this thing. Do I already have those? Use buttons. Yeah, they're already there. I don't... Yeah, no, that's perfect. The other way around. I need to link the script to use button. So if I click on the use button 1, I want to execute use 1. So I will do this. I'll take the component interface and say, hey, if I click on this, please use 1. There we go. I'll do the same with the second and the third. I love it. Use 2 and use 3 as well. This was this whole session was more me learning about stuff than anything else. And there we go. Use 3. Okay, so if I click those buttons, we're gonna do the corresponding thing. Now what is left to do is in here. Close interface. Close interface. I want to actually current comp should be null because I want to reset the current component, right? Whenever I close the interface, whenever I hit the close button, I want to set it to 0, to null, to say, hey, there's nothing we actually have selected. And now, if I currently have a main switch, if main switch, then I want to activate the button so I can press it. Oh, I need to deactivate them all down here. I forgot. I'll do that. What? Why did that? Oh, because I have sensor? Yeah, okay. Okay, then button 3, I guess. Use button 1. Set active. True. Okay. Guess that will work. One thing left to do is I am stupid. No, distance sensor, what? Let's see if it works already. I pressed twice. So now I got this thing. It doesn't have a use. That's okay. This one does not have this, but it's got the bar. This one doesn't have as well. That's okay. So those work. And if I have this, we should have a use button. And if I press that use button, we should actually go back and turn off the switch. Yeah. You know, it's nothing big. It's nothing big, but I'm happy that it works immediately. I needed that because nothing has worked so far. So I'm so happy that something works first try. Yay. One problem that I will probably have is that the button is active. Yeah, it's still there now. So what I need to do is I'll put those all to null again. Yeah. Whatever it is, I'm happy. Just be happy with me. I'll need all of these. I'll need to set all of these to null right here. Doink. Boink. That's gonna be a lot of annoying stuff that I have to do here. Not a lot, but enough. Why is that there? Yeah. And then set that to null, and then we're fine. Let's copy and paste this. And now the button should also be gone again, because I've got that. I could do it more flexible, but I'll think about it. Future Philip will think about it. So I can do this. I can go here and I can open and close the thing. That's good. That's great. And the button is gone again. Yes. And the button is there again. Yes. Love it. Okay, 2 things left. I want to change the text on this. It shouldn't be use 1. It should be activate, deactivate. Turn on, turn off. Turn on, turn off. Love it. Therefore, I will need in the component interface. God, this got so complex. Component interface. I will need 3 new texts. Button, button, button. I will need 3 new texts. Use button 1 text. And I will need to set those, of course, always. It actually doesn't matter, but I will do it. Texts equal to nothing. 2 and 3. Okay. And then I have button. No, button 1 will be turn on. And then I'll have button 2 is turn off. Got this, got that, got it all. Yeah, I know what I'm doing. If you did not understand anything in the last 20 minutes, perfectly fine. Neither do I. I'm just typing. My brain is off. My brain turned off long ago. My fingers are just doing... It's reflexes. It's just happening. I don't know what is happening, but it is happening. So, almost done. I just need to link the texts to this. 1, 2, 3. Okay, great. Love it. If that works... Turn on, it is on, turn off. Turn on, turn off, turn on, turn off, turn on, turn off. It works. Fucking hell, yes. Okay, one more little thing, just because I'm at it and I want to make it a bit prettier, is you cannot press the button if it's already turned on. You cannot press the button if it's already turned off, like the corresponding button. So it's very simple. If main switch is not active, yeah, if it's active, interactable is interactive. Is interactable button? What's the interactable? Just no. Huh? Wasn't it interactable? Am I just stupid? Interactable, yeah. Button, interact, button, interactable, button, interact, button, interactable? Use button 1. Is that a game object? Did I make it? Why did I not make it a button? Oh, okay, that makes sense now. Dot interactable to false. For independent PDC. No, I haven't. I want to do it. I will do it at some point, but I haven't done it yet. Of course, it's a method. Is that read-only? No overload for method. Takes 1 argument. I know, that's what I did. Oh, no overload. What? Dot interactable. Can I just do that? Okay. It's not a property. That's strange, but okay. If the main switch is active, then use button 1 is not interactable, but use button 2 is. Else. I always wanted to implement the PLC, but I haven't done it. For the last 3 times, I always wanted to do it. I never did. That should work. Let's see. Doink. Look at this. It's turned on is deactivated. I cannot press it. Ah, this is prettier. This is nice. I love it. That works. Love it. The only thing I must not forget that this... that I undo this at the end here. True for button 2 and 3. So they're always interactable. Whenever I reopen it, in case I forget it, they're always interactable. Yeah, this is nice. I can scroll now. I can actually check all the contacts. God, I love it. God. This is amazing. This it feels great. Whatever I just did, it feels great. Ah, don't press the thing. Okay, let's do one last thing that is completely unnecessary, but I feel like doing it right now. For the main switch, I want to actually give all of those the correct name. So L1 is going to be L1. L2 is going to be L2. L3 is going to be L3. N in is going to be N in. N out is N out. PE in, pain, PE out. It's going to be T1, T2, and T3. What is turning? Oh, the turning part. Okay, it's just for that is unnecessary, but okay. Looking good, right, Joss? Yeah, it does. It does actually work. Which programming language do I use? For this C#. I can turn this off. So look, when it's turned on, I can see L1. It is... No, let me actually maximize it for you so you can see it. It's not connected, Joss. They sometimes have the connection. They sometimes have this connection, which I never connected, but they have sometimes 5 going in and 5 going out. I've never connected the PE. Do they? No, they don't. They have 3 phases going in. Sometimes they have neutral. But you're right, PE. I mean, you shouldn't cut PE using the main switch. Anyway, they all have 3. But I've seen them with 4 at least. I mean, 3 makes sense. I'll keep it as is because this is in the backend anyway. It's just a feature they can have. It's not I have to use it. But you're completely right. I didn't think about it. The neutral, they sometimes... I definitely saw the neutral. I've never seen the PE, you're right. PE doesn't make sense. Why would you switch PE? Citron is the right type? I don't know. This is just a thing I got. This is literally just a switch that I downloaded. And it's got 3, and it's got... It had those 2 here at the side. It has PE and neutral, as you can see here on the side. Those are those 2. But I don't know if they would ever be connected. Or if they actually switch. They probably don't switch. They're just as a connector. Yeah, they're just a connector. Which makes sense. So I'll leave them there. They are still connected, but they are just pushed through. Probably for wiring. I like this for wiring because you have your cable that has 5 wires in it anyway, and you need to connect those 5 on there. And you usually need to connect the 2 of them you have to wire around it anyway. So that's the better way. So I'll keep it this way. So if it's turned on, I see L1 is pushed through to T1. T1 is 230 volts. L1 is as well. Let's see. Look at this. If I turn it off, T1, the one going out is 0 volts. Love it. Siemens C2, I don't know. I just copied it. Love it. I could now reorganize those so that it's in a nicer way. Let's do it. Let's do this. Now we should have... No, that's not nice. Now it should be nice. Yeah, L1, L2, L3, and then I can repair. I can theoretically repair and connect those to other things. But now I can just do this, and this is amazing. I love it. I did not do as much as I wanted to. And now if this is turned on, the sensor should actually have power. It does have 24 volts. This one actually should have power, L1. It's 230 volts, yeah. That works. So if I turn it off, they should not have power anymore. Yeah, that works. Love it. God, this, I can't believe that all I did was basically a scroll bar that I don't need. But it makes sense to have it. I love it. Yeah. But as it is, I've been programming for almost 2 hours. How did I do 2 hours? Look at my camera. Look at the camera quality. Ain't that insane? You see, like my skin is bad. I'm sorry. You actually see this thing. I've got like this thing here on my eyelid. I don't know. I've got it since birth. It's just the skin thingy. Annoying. You can see every single beard, like hair on my beard. Love it. That's always the problem with programming. Yeah. You always want to do more. Yeah, I didn't even know what I wanted to do. That's the thing. I just got in here and I was like, I don't know what to do. We'll figure it out. And that's what we did. And it worked out. And it works. Yeah. But there's still so much to do. It's gonna take some time, but that's okay. Project takes time. But now I have to take some rest. Maybe you saw that I was just like, this doesn't work. I'm going crazy. I need to take some rest, which I will do. So should you. It's evening time. I don't know where you are right now, but for me, it's evening time. Take some rest. I'll try to make the following. For next week, homework for me. I'll stream this again on Tuesday. I'll try. My homework is to make a version. At the end of next Tuesday, I want to have a version that I can basically push out, and it's like a demo version or something. Right? There's some small demo version or so, like an early alpha. And I want to push that out, and I want to hand it out next week. After next stream, maybe I can hand out a small like teaser program. I hope that's going to work. That would be nice. So that's my homework. I hope I can achieve it. It's not going to have nearly enough features, but it's going to be like a small system here. You can play around a little bit with it. You can repair it. You can, yeah, that's basically like this. And it doesn't work. And there's going to be an error. And you have to find the error. Right? Something like this I want to have for next week. At the end of next stream. But we'll see. We'll see. I hope I can get there. Okay. For now, I'm going to take a rest. So should you. You deserve it. You stayed here, you listened, you tried to learn, which is great. I love it. Thank you so much. Get your well-deserved rest. I'll do the same. Stay safe, stay healthy out there, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you so much for joining. I had a lot of fun. Even though I didn't do anything, I had a lot of fun. So thanks for joining. I'll see ya.